Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss English AI. Today we're talking about something super simple and super fun. Hobbies. You know, the things we do when we're not working, not studying, just living our life. And of course, Ina is here with me. So Ina, tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
Hi guys. Honestly, I enjoy doing different things depending on my mood. But if you ask me my favorite hobby, I'd say I love reading. I usually read in the evening. It helps me relax. What about you, Paul? What do you like to do?
Reading is great, but me? I actually like playing guitar. I'm not amazing, but I enjoy it. When I play, I feel calm. Sometimes I play in the morning with a cup of coffee. It's like my perfect little moment.
Oh, that sounds so peaceful. Do you play every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week. It depends. Sometimes I'm busy. Sometimes I'm lazy. But hey, hobbies don't have rules, right?
Exactly. You do what you enjoy. And speaking of hobbies, there's one more thing I like doing. I love watching movies, especially on weekends. I grab some snacks, sit on the couch, and watch something fun.
Let me guess. Romantic movies.
Maybe, but I also like action movies and animated movies. Actually, I like almost everything. If the story is good, I'm in.
That's cool. I also watch movies, but I'm more into documentaries. I love learning something new. And sometimes I go hiking. Fresh air, trees, quiet places. I really enjoy that.
Hiking. Nice. I want to try it, but I'm not very athletic. I get tired fast.
You don't need to be athletic. Just walk, enjoy the view, take your time. It's not a race.
True. Maybe I'll go someday. But you know what hobby I don't like?
What? Tell us.
Cooking.
No way. Cooking is fun.
Maybe for you, when I cook, everything burns, even water.
Ina, how do you burn water?
I don't know. I don't have cooking skills.
It's okay. Everyone has different hobbies. Some people play games, some go running, some take pictures, some dance, some just watch YouTube all day. And that's totally fine.
Yeah, hobbies are personal. You don't have to be good at them, you just have to enjoy them.
Exactly. So guys, what about you? What do you like to do? Reading? Playing? Watching? Going somewhere? Let us know. And keep practicing simple English. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
See you in the next video. Bye.